Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use the Atlas credit card. Now, first I want you to make sure that you actually have it approved and activated, okay? And you can use it anywhere that MasterCard is accepted. It can be used at millions of merchants across the US, and wherever basically MasterCard is accepted, the card can be used at millions of merchants across the US. And you can consider also using the Atlas app, okay, for specific offers, which allows you to book hotel stays using points and potentially find deals. And whenever you're going to a dinner using the Easy Dinner app, you can pay the bill with your Atlas card. Okay, you can make a booking, inform the staff about the offer, and pay the bill with the app. And always, guys, make sure to check out for the miles, the edge miles. Okay, and try to use virtual cards as well to pay for Apple Pay, Google Wallet. You can use it for that as well. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.